Mic check. Hey guys, we're rolling out here now. 10 minutes past 7. And we're gearing up to hit the road. This is a loaner bike, by the way. This is not my bike. So shout out to my brethren for loaning me this bike just for the night. Yeah, here we go. Mic check 1 2 3. What is good, guys? Hopefully you're hearing me. So I'm on a bike just for today. I can see me in the mirror. Oh my god. I'm just cruising. It's a work morning, you know, and it's cool. I'm just cruising. I'm gonna be honest with you guys as it regards to how I've been feeling since I haven't had a bike in the last month. Yeah. So as I said in a previous video, if you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and watch it. I'll link it and thing. But previously I sold my main bike, which was the white bike that you guys saw me with, the Zamco. I sold that bike and I currently don't have the MT. You see me? As I said previously, the MT it's alright where it's at. You know, I just don't have it. Yeah, and I'm not answering any more questions as it regards to that. Being honest with you guys, I've been going through depression because as Bike Doctor said to me the other day, Bike Doctor said, yeah, the same person will make a video on bike and bike taking you out of depression, and you know, if you want if you feel any type of way, just ride a bike. Yeah, I was the same one who made that video, and it's true. And it's sad that what can take me out of my depression is what I don't have. You know, so I don't have the medicine. So it sucks. Sucks, guys. It actually feels good. Actually feels good actually feeling what the breeze feels like. Yo, I tell you, you know, you see bike going on a sort of freedom one can't get. Maybe we feel it in a van back. You see me? Yeah, we feel it in a van back. Yeah, we get close to it in our van back. But you can't get that feeling of nowhere else. Is it? Incomparable. You see me? This is a real deal right here, man. This is a real deal right here, man. Ah, yo, me not tell no lie. The feeling of being back on a bike is great. It's great, especially when you know you put on bike or you stop for a little time. Yeah. I've went 6 months without a bike, you know. Yeah, 6 months. 6 freaking months without a bike. I mean, I tell you that period. That was a rough time, bro. I'm telling you, that was a rough time. But if you have to do it, then you have to do it, you know. I don't know what the frick that stoplight for. Me and my nigga just blew through that bitch. I'm not even talking much, I'm just enjoying this, bruv. Welcome to the city. Where you gotta be using your horn. Dodging pothole. She's so different. Let me tell you something. You see, driving, it's like when you drive, you have to be like this disciplined person, but when you're on the bike, it's like different. So I'm so used to being in vehicles now. It's like I stop at every freaking stoplight, and I'm not saying that you're not supposed to be stopping at stoplights. I'm just saying, you know, we as bikers, we don't do that shit. Oh, I think I'm going to turn up here. Boom, boom, boom. Trying to gather my bearings there to see where the hell I was. Yeah guys, as I was saying, like, bro, we go to the top of the line. As I was saying, guys, nothing really compares to bike life, bro. Even though I said that, not even though, I did say I am taking a break, which I am. Honestly, it's out of frustration, you know. Been going through a lot, and I felt like the best way to cope with it was to sell my bike. You see me? and basically sell all my bikes. You know, honestly, there are some things that a lot of persons are going through and we hide it, you know, especially as men. We do tend to hide certain things, you see me? That's just how we cope with it, you know. I'm gonna be honest, you know. I have some shit that I'm going through, guys, and I'm not gonna up and tell you guys exactly what's going on and what's this and what's that, you know. But it is what it is, man. We just gotta keep going. There's a saying that says if you're going through fire, or if you're going through a storm, keep going, something like that. You see me? There's another one that says if I smell like smoke, that means I've been going through fire. So everybody be going through their stuff. You just gotta find your way to deal with what you're going through. You know, there's nothing wrong with going through problems. There's nothing wrong with being depressed. It's part of human nature. You're gonna get depressed. Just how you deal with it, that's the crucial part of it. How you deal with it. Damn, it's smoke. What all this a smoke up, sir? So much traffic there on that side of the morning. Sorry. This person is trying to avoid a pothole or what? Is it a one-way right here? Nah, it ain't. Gonna buy some gas, guys. Full cup, 80 cents. Card may I use, yeah? Alright, so we got some gas and we're gonna leave. I actually love coming to this gas station because it's reasonable. It's reasonable. It's like what? 189. And gas serve long too. Coming into the bike world. Woo! That sounds so good! Nobody not here no blind. Yeah man, that's how you have to do it, man. Driving, riding. Yeah man, you have to assert dominance. I have to assert because the dominance on the road for that. Yes people. Bike life are the best, you know, even though I tell them say, I never tell them say I go give up bike life. I don't think I can ever do that. I don't think I can ever do that. So, it's too good. So I go down to come out of the want to walk with me. Respect to you for giving me. soon I'll be back, you know, with a nice machine and everything. But just taking a break, regroup, you know, all of them stuff there. Let me go on the electric thing in my jacket. Badass, bro. I need a helmet, fam. I love that mural over there, it's nice. Garden Zone, St. Andrew, this, that.